Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video with Coding with Roby. And in this video, we're going to be solving the Leetcode problem of remove element. So given an integer array nums and an integer value, remove all occurrences of val in nums in place. The relative order of the elements may be changed. Since it is impossible to change the length of the array in some languages, you must instead have the result be placed in the first part of the array nums. More formally, if there are k elements after removing the duplicates, then the first k elements of nums should hold the final result. It does not matter what you leave beyond the first k elements. Alright, and do not allocate extra space for another array. You must do this by modifying the input array. Alright, so we need to modify nums and value. So let's look at the examples. If nums is 3, 2, 2, and 3, and val is 3, well then we have 2 with a nums of 2. Here 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 4, 2 with a value of 2, then 0, 1, 4, 0, 3 with a 5 as the output. So we need to just remove any values from this input array. So this is pretty straightforward. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with our guard clause of if nums.length is equal to 0, then return 0 as our guard clause. Alright, great. Now let's go ahead and create a for loop. So for int I equals 0, I is less than nums.length, I++. And the first thing we want to do is say, hey, if nums of I is not equal to value, well then nums x is going to be equal to nums of I. And then x++. And then outside of the for loop, we want to just return x. So remember, we're looping through all the indexes and elements of nums. We're saying, hey, if nums of I is not equal to the value, well then we want nums of x to equal nums of I, x++, and then return the x. Alright, so let's run the code. Alright, cannot find value of nums of x equals nums of I. Oh, so when I was looking through this, I just figured I already wrote my integer of x. We need to make sure x is equal to 0 beforehand. So we are going and creating variables that did not exist yet. So we can say int x equals 0 before our for loop. And now this makes a lot more sense. We are now adding x++, so x is going up in integers each time this loops through. And then we're finally returning x. So now let's try to return the code. And there we have it, removed all of the duplicates of this answer. If we submit the code, we can see that, wow, this was 100% faster than Java submissions. Well, congratulations. Hope this was able to help you solve the remove elements problem, and I'll see you in the next video.